special one. I was finally 10. My age was now double digits. I looked around at the decorations. The same old stuff was lying around, but with a few changes. And those changes seemed really special. Click each highlighted area to see what changes I saw.
So let's see the changes. Here we go.
My mom's garden is beautiful, especially in the spring when it's full of flowers in bloom. I know it's a big celebration when she lets someone cut the flowers. Cutting the flower changes the size of the flower's stem without changing it from being a flower.
Okay, that's the first change. Cutting the flower does not change. What is this?
These party hats are clever. My friends took a sheet of newspaper, opened it up, and folded it into a hat. They made a hat for everybody, but because I'm the birthday kid, my hat had a pom-pom on top. Although we're all wearing hats now, they're still just newspapers. Take a deep breath and blow. Balloons change shape when someone blows them up. It's amazing how a little, or maybe a big, breath makes something look so much better. Put this balloon with all the others, and it feels like a party.
Okay.
Welcome to the lesson, What are some physical changes? Where you'll learn to recognize and identify examples of physical changes. You'll also find out about mixtures and solutions. The vocabulary words for this lesson are physical change, mixture, and solution. Click each word to find out more about it.
So first of all, Mu'taz,
Yes,
would you please describe what you see in this picture?
I can't see very well, sorry, but I can see very well.
You can see very well.
No, I can't.
You can see this building is broken.
Yeah, but I can't. But the screen is small.
Okay, let me share it again.
Okay, now.
Mm-hmm.
What are some physical changes?
No, please don't read. I need also to describe the picture. What do you see in this picture?
A destroyed building,
Yeah.
and they're trying to fix it.
So you can see destroyed building.
Mm-mm.
So, okay. Let's see the first definition for this lesson.
Physical change. A change in matter from one form to another that doesn't result in a different substance.
Mu'taz,
Yes.
what is physical change?
A change in matter from one form to another that doesn't result in a different substance.
Yes, like what?
Like when you cut a paper. Yep. And you make like an emoji. Any emoji.
So,
Okay, so it is the same substance, but the shape is different.
the
So
same
they did it.
substance. Yeah.
So like when you break your phone, the book, when you like
When you
you
tear
bring
your
another
book?
book,
Mm.
yeah, or you bring another book.
No. I mean, like this girl, she's trying to convert
Yeah,
her paper to be like a heart.
yeah,
So
and
she tried to change a matter from one
and
form
and
to another.
like when you touch your brother, and when he gets injured.
No. It's not like that. So your previous example is correct. As you said, it's like a change in the form, not in the substance. Okay. Thank you, Mu'taz. Let's see the next one, solution.
Solution. A mixture that has the same composition throughout, because all the parts are mixed evenly.
Abdulaziz,
Yes.
what is solution?
Solution. A mixture that has the same composition
Composition throughout.
throughout because all the parts
Yeah,
are mixed evenly.
are all mixed evenly, like what you see now in this picture.
A guy putting salt in water.
Yeah, so can we separate the salt from water after that?
What?
Can we separate them after
No.
that? We can't.
No.
But maybe by another way we can separate them.
Yes.
Let's see what is mixture.
Mixture. A combination of two or more different substances that retain their identities.
Ahmed Mahjoub.
Yes.
Mixture.
Yeah.
Read it.
It's a combination of two or more different substances that retain their
identities.
identity.
Like in this salad, you can see some fruits. We cut and tear it, to put it in a new plate, like as you see here. So it's mixture. Okay.
Did you know dry ice is just frozen carbon dioxide? This video shows a worker taking out a sample that has been kept cold in a container of dry ice. As dry ice warms up, it does not melt into a liquid like water. Instead, it changes directly into a gas. So at room temperature, frozen carbon dioxide changes from a solid to a gas.
So dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide.
Crash! Oh no! A mirror broke! It is certainly changed, but what kind of change is it? A physical change is a change in which the form or shape of a substance changes, but the substance still has the same chemical makeup. Click the images to see examples of physical changes.
So Abdullah?
Yes, teacher.
If I talk with you about the physical change, is it a change in the form of the shape, or change in the chemical substances?
Huh? What did you say?
I talk about physical change. What I mean by physical change?
Physical change.
Yes. The physical change is only change in the shape. Like, for example, if you have like a piece of ice and you try to melt it, it will be liquid water after that. Right?
Right.
So this is called physical change. Also, if you have like a mango, you like mango?
Yes.
And you cut it into two pieces, this is a physical change.
Physical change.
Yeah. So let's see the first example for that. Physical change examples. Freezing water.
Have you ever
Yes.
seen it so cold outside that water freezes? Here we see a close-up of frost forming on a plant. The water changes, but is still water. It has the same chemical properties as it did before.
Okay, so the first example, the freezing. When you have the liquid water and you want to freeze it or make it like ice, you put in the freezer, or maybe in the nature it will change from liquid water to be an ice. So it's only physically change and the form, the shape, only the shape. but it's still water.
Chopping wood is an example of a physical change. The chopped wood is still wood with all of wood's properties.
Okay, so this example will be for Ahmed Walid.
Yes.
Why do you think that chopping wood is only physical change, not chemical change?
Because the wood
Uh,
is chopped with
yeah.
all the wood's properties.
And after cutting it or chopping, this wood, it will change to be another material?
Yeah. No.
Yeah,
It
it
will
will be
not.
the same. The same.
Yes. If you cut it, it will not change.
That's right. So if the material still as itself, so it's only physical change. Physical change. Thank you, Ahmed.
Yeah.
Then crumpling paper.
Crumpling or folding paper is a physical change.
Yeah, Danny? What do you think about crumbling paper? Danny, are you there? Okay. Jamel?
Oh, wait, yes, teacher.
Danny, we are talking about the physical change. Do you think that crumpling paper, piece of paper, is physical change or another thing?
Oh, wait, what did you say?
I said crumpling paper. Listen again, please.
Crumpling or folding paper is a physical change.
Why we said that crumpling paper is a physical change?
Because it changes the
shape, only the shape.
yeah, the shape, not
But
the
it's still the
form.
paper after that.
It's still a paper, but the form is the
Yes.
shape or form.
We folded
Like
it
form
in a
means
new
yeah.
form. Yes.
It's
Now
physical form.
let's see examples for chemical change.
Oh no! This toast is burned. Toasting or burning creates a new substance with new chemical properties. The burned part is no longer bread. This is not a physical change. Instead, it's a chemical change.
Yeah, chemical change. So this question will be for Ammar. Ammar,
Yes.
listen again and please describe what you see.
Oh no! This toast is burned. Toasting or burning creates a new substance with new chemical properties. The burned part is no longer bread. This is not a physical change. Instead, it's a chemical change.
So what do you think about chemical change, Ammar? It's a change in the shape or in the nature of the material.
Material?
Yeah. So if we burn like a piece of bread, if you burn it, it will be like a bread after that, or another thing.
Another thing.
Another thing. So if the material changed to be another thing, it will not be physical change, it will be chemical change. Chemical change. Thank you.
Ice melting as it warms is a physical change. Even though it's melted, the liquid still has the same chemical properties as the solid water.
Yeah. So in this case, it's physical change only from liquid to ice or from ice to liquid.
Cutting is an example of a physical change. The cut-out heart shape will look different from the sheet of paper it is cut from. Both the heart and the paper it was cut from still have the chemical properties of paper.
All right.
Most metals are solids at room temperature, but they'll melt if they get hot enough. Click play to watch liquid gold being poured into a mold to make solid pieces.
Look, it will be amazing video to know how to perform the shapes of the gold items from the gold.
How did this gold become a liquid? It melted. The melting of the metal is a physical change caused by adding heat energy. Once it's melted, the liquid metal can be poured. The metal is still metal. It has just been changed to a liquid.
So melted metal is poured here.
What happens in a physical change? Read the choices and click the correct answer.
Yusuf,
Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
what happens in a physical change? Please read the answers, then pick one.
Okay. The form of a substance changes, but its shape stays the same.
Do you
The
wait?
chemical makeup-
What do you think? The first answer is right. The form of substance change, but its shape stays the same
No.
and physical change. So we can forget about the first answer. What do you think about the second one?
The chemical makeup of a substance changes.
Do you think so?
No.
Okay, forget about the second one.
The form or shape of a substance changes, but its chemical makeup does not change. Yes, the
This
third
one.
Yeah.
You've got it. The substance is
I'm
still the same
insane.
substance chemically. In a physical
I'm
change,
insane,
a
mister.
substance may change its form or its shape or both, but the chemical properties of the substance do not change. For example, if you crush an aluminum can, cut it with a sharp tool, or even heat up the metal and melt it, it is still aluminum. It still has all of aluminum's chemical properties.
Wonderful, Yusuf. Thank you very much.
I'm so good.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
It's fun to have a picnic on the beach. Did you know that several of the things at this picnic are mixtures? A mixture is a combination of two or more different substances in which the substances keep their own properties. Click the images to find out more about the mixtures.
Okay, now we are going to learn about mixtures. Let's see it.
Many foods are mixtures. For example, the sausage is a mixture of different meats and spices. Sometimes we see smoke coming off of a fire. Smoke is an example of a mixture. Gases and burned particles from the fire are mixed with the air.
So smoke is a mixture. If I talk about smoke, which comes from coal, it's mixture of burned particles from this coal. Particles, air, and other gases. Okay, then beach sand.
The sand on the beach is a mixture of rock particles, salt, shells, and other things. You probably can think of mixtures of solid items such as fruit salad or trail mix. Can gases and liquids also form mixtures? A mixture is a combination of two or more different substances in which the substances keep their own properties. In a mixture, the parts can be solids, liquids, or gases. Click the pictures to find out more. One type of a mixture is a mixture of two liquids. For example, we can mix water and lemon juice to make lemonade. Next, we'll want to add some sugar to this mixture.
So in the first picture, why could I say it's mixture, Faisal? Faisal?
Yeah.
The first picture, it's a mixture. Why?
The first picture?
Yeah. This lemon juice.
Yeah.
Why? Why it's mixture? What are the
Because-
contents? What are the contents inside it? I mean, how
Water
can
and
you
juice.
make lemon juice?
Just bring water
Yeah,
and sugar,
yeah,
and then put
lemon.
the lemon.
Perfect. And also, if you need to add honey, it's up to you. So all of that, after that, we can mix them together. by using a spoon to make lemon juice, right?
Yeah.
So it's called mixture. Mixture, okay?
Okay.
So what is mixture in general?
What?
What is mixture in your opinion? If I ask you what is the meaning of mixture?
It's like when you bring some things and mix it together.
Yeah, and they are different items, different materials.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Another mixture can be a solid mixed with a liquid. An example is a drink you make from a mix, such as hot cocoa or a flavored sports drink.
Manaf? Manaf? Walif? Walif? Yusuf Ouda.
Yes.
Yusuf, do you like hot chocolate?
Yeah, so much.
So now you can see the hot chocolate. Why I say hot chocolate is a mixture?
Should I read it?
No. Why? I ask you.
Oh.
Why I can say the hot chocolate is a mixture? Why? How can we do that? How can we do a cup of hot chocolate?
We need hot water with what do you call it again?
Cocoa?
Yeah, cocoa.
And
Then stir it again.
and sugar,
And sugar.
and
yeah.
we need to put in the stove to heat it up. So all of that's called mixture. We have different items like sugar, like cocoa, like hot water, and stove.
Yeah, my mom does it for me. I don't do it for myself.
Listen again.
Another mixture can be a solid mixed with a liquid. An example is a drink you make from a mix, such as hot cocoa or a flavored sports drink. We can have a liquid and gas mixture, such as ginger ale or another carbonated beverage.
So these are items and examples for mixtures.
Mixtures can be made from two or more gases. A common example is the air we breathe. It is a mix of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases.
So this question will be for Manaf, are you there? Mu'taz? Muhammad Sultan? Why the atmosphere is like a mixture? The atmosphere, the air. Muhammad?
Yes.
Why the atmosphere around us is a mixture? Mixture, I mean by mixture, it's consisting from or consists from many gases. Like what? What are the gases in the atmosphere, Muhammad?
I forgot.
Give me examples. It's very, very easy. Like oxygen,
Carbon dioxide,
right? What else?
water,
Nitrogen,
water
hydrogen,
vapor.
water vapor. Yes, all of that. So the atmosphere around us is mixture as well.
A solid and a solid can be a mixture, such as with metal alloys. Alloys are mixtures of two or more metals. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin.
So you can see the state bronze, which is made of copper and tin, is a mixture of two solids.
List 4 new examples of mixtures and describe the parts of the mixture. Type your answer in the box provided. When you are happy with your answer, click OK.
Abdul Mohsen,
Yes.
I
Mr.
need,
Why did you unmute me?
wait, Mu'taz. Abdul Mohsen, I need 4 examples for mixtures.
Mud,
Mud is a mixture. Okay.
sand and water, guys.
What do you think?
Because the sand and water makes mud.
Okay, what else?
Lemon juice,
Lemon juice.
lemonade,
Okay. What else?
tomato soup.
What do you say? Soup?
Soup.
Okay.
You said soap.
What else? Yes,
You're
soup. Soup. Okay, okay, okay. What else?
Apple juice. Apple juice.
Apple juice. Why you said apple juice as a mixture?
Apple, water, sugar.
Apple juice?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's check.
Did you remember that a mixture is a combination of 2 or more different substances? In a mixture, the substances keep their own properties. When cement is combined with sand, water, and other materials, it forms a mixture called concrete.
Okay, Abdul Mohsen, thank you very much.
So I was wrong?
No, you're right.
What happens when you stir sugar or salt into water? Click the dots on the line to see a solution being made.
Okay, here comes the steps to make solution. Yes, Mu'taz?
If you put salt or sugar in the water, it will dissolve because the salt, the water will absorb the salt. Okay.
But they need long time.
Yeah.
But if you add them under the stove on heat, they will dissolve quickly.
Yeah.
So
they will
now here, how can we make a solution?
caramelized.
Yes, that's right. How can we make a solution?
Okay.
We'll start with the part of the solution before they are put together. Here, we have sugar to be mixed with the water. The parts of the solution are put together. The water is called the solvent. The sugar is called the solute. Finally, when the particles are all evenly mixed, we have a solution. A solution is a mixture that has the same composition throughout because all the parts are mixed evenly.
And Mister, I'm gonna tell you something.
Yes.
Remember that a solution
Yes, Mu'taz?
And also when you put the salt and wait, I want to do an experiment that when you put salt or sugar
Yeah.
in the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
What would happen?
Bye. I'm sorry, but my brother got stuck.
Okay. So
Good heart.
gasoline is a solution.
is a mixture that has the same composition throughout because all the parts are mixed evenly. Click the examples of solutions to learn more. Another common solution is gasoline. Gasoline is a mixture of different substances. It may contain hundreds of ingredients, which vary depending on where the crude oil came from and where it was made into gasoline. One solution that we use to keep our car engines from freezing is antifreeze. It is a solution of ethylene glycol and water. Have you ever looked through a solution? Glass is made from a mixture of materials that becomes a solution when the ingredients are melted. Do you know someone who wears contact lenses? The contact lens cleaning fluid is a solution that contains water, salt, and other substances. Now that you've learned about solutions, can you tell the difference between mixtures that are solutions and mixtures that are not solutions? Click the images that are solutions.
Okay. Yusuf? Abdulaziz?
Yes.
Click the images that are solutions. Salt water is a solution or mixture. Muddy water is solution or mixture. Toast salad, gold drink. What do you think?
I think salt and water is mixture.
Mixture, okay. Muddy water,
Mixture.
mixture.
And
Okay.
the two and the down two are not.
Toast salad,
No.
gold drink.
No.
So you see all of them is no?
The bottom two are not, but the up, yes.
Yes, mister.
I was asking about what are solutions here in those pictures.
Yes,
Mister.
Mr. Mahmoud.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm sorry, Mr. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Click the image that are solutions.
I know.
What?
Salt water.
Salt water is solution
No.
or mixture? Let's click and see.
Mister, I know.
Well done. Salt water is a solution. A solution is a
Yes.
mixture that has the same composition throughout because all the parts are mixed evenly.
Okay. What do you think about muddy water? Is it mixture or solution?
Mixture.
Mixture.
Yeah, mixture.
Mixture.
Mixture. Mixture.
That's not correct. Muddy water is a mixture but not a solution.
That's
You can
right.
see the mud at the bottom. Try again.
So muddy water is mixture, not solution. Let's see toast salad.
It is.
That's not right. A salad is
So
a mixture but not a
it's salt
solution.
water and
the parts
gold.
of a salad.
Gold.
Try again.
Let's check the last one.
Yeah, because
job.
it's a solution.
A gold
And
ring
fix
is a
it.
solution of solid materials. A solution
can
is
I
a kind
answer?
of mixture, but not all mixtures are solutions. Salt dissolved in water is an evenly mixed solution. The
Yes, Ahmed?
Can I answer
Answer what?
a question?
You already answered. So please,
Yeah.
I ask you to revise the page again.
Okay.
And please do page 391, 392, 393. And
Is
send
that
it to me.
homework?
Yeah, this is the homework. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.